Looking for a convertible for summer? Check out this 2003 Mercedes-Benz SLK32 AMG compressor. It's actually a retractable hardtop. It is a power top. This particular one, silver in color, obviously, powered by the V6 3.2 liter twin screw supercharger on that. It does have an intercooler in that supercharger too. If you notice, this is the actual door. The headlight washers work. It's that door is just a little bit out of a line, but I did try it a little bit earlier, and the headlight washers do work in this one. Power top works fine. It is a local car here, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, no paint work on the car. It's a very nice shape. If you want to check out the underside pictures, interior, trunk, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around and get the miles. It's about 30, mid-30s, 32, 33,000 when I started up, and you can hear it run. I'll run the top up and down for you, and we'll check out those exact miles. But you see it's not full of door dings, scratches, front fascias in very nice shape, not a bunch of rock chips, anything like that. So well taken care of car. Adult owned and driven. If you'd like to call us, you can sure discuss the car too. If you have any questions, give us a call, 507-386-1726. See the same thing. There's one little one there, if you can kind of see it. One little, I think a PDR, paintless dent removal, would take that out. You're probably never going to be able to notice it. One little spot I did notice, otherwise the roof, the glass, everything's good on this one. Let's go ahead, start this up. These were not available with a manual transmission, so it comes with the 5G Tronic automatic transmission that can be shifted manually also. Otherwise, everything is stock in it. I'm going to close this door. I'm going to run this top up and down for you a second too. Alright, here's the top button. So we'll go ahead and this works and show you that the top does indeed work and function properly. There you have it, all with the push of a button. Check out the miles. There's the miles, 35,199. At the dash and see what, even the floor mats are in nice shape on this one. No crack dash, anything like that. Let's go ahead and slip out so you can hear this one run. Very smooth running car. Again, check out any of the still pictures, underside, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Show you the seats too there. Not torn or ripped. You can see how nice a shape those are in also, both sides. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this for a second. We'll pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay too. Alright, got the hood popped. There you can see that 3.2 liter V6. Supercharged engine underneath the hood, see how clean it is. There's actually only a little over 2,000 of these imported in the States, the AMGs, 2,056 I believe it was. Here how smooth that runs, like you'd expect out of a Mercedes. So once again, check out the website. If you'd like to check out the still pictures of it, that website address is uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. 2003 Mercedes-Benz SLK32 AMG compressor.